Did you know that the word photography actually originates from a Latin word, and when you translate it to English, it basically means painting or drawing with light. So I think when we have a good understanding of, what photography is, it helps you to understand the importance of light and, being able to use light to craft people, being able to use light to shape people, being able to use light to bring out the best features in people. I think that's something I really enjoy, playing with, and is one of my, top skills as a photographer. I love playing with light, and I love to use light, to create and highlight the best features of people. So yeah, when I say everybody has got great photographs in them, different lights work for different people, and being able to, having the ability to know how to light people is a great starting point to making good photographs. There's a few more layers to it, but good lighting is, I think, a good starting point, right? Yes.